Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Along Route feature to find a station on the eRoute application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page, go to the station finder section, and here you can find the Along Route feature. If you would like to use this function, tap on the white box and then you can type in your departure point into the from box. So type in your departure point and then type in your destination into the to section. And here you can also use the use my current location feature, and when you are done, click on the search button in the middle of the screen, and in a few seconds you will be able to find the available stations. So that's how you can use the Along Route feature, by typing in your departure point and your destination. You can add the site facilities, search by network, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.